Fun facts about hiccups. Have you ever had hiccups? They're those funny sounds your body makes sometimes. Let's find out what causes hiccups. Little jumps. Hiccups are like little jumps that happen in your chest and throat. They make a funny hic sound. Tricky diaphragm. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, a big muscle under your lungs, gets a little confused. It suddenly tightens up, causing air to rush into your throat, making that funny sound. What's the trigger? Sometimes hiccups happen for no reason at all, but other times they can be triggered by things like eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, or feeling excited or nervous. How to stop them? Hiccups usually go away on their own after a little while, but you can try some tricks to make them stop faster, like taking slow, deep breaths, drinking water, or having someone scare you gently, just for fun. Fun facts. Did you know that babies get hiccups even before they're born? It's true. Hiccups are a normal part of being human, and everyone gets them sometimes. So hiccups might feel a bit funny, but they're nothing to worry about. They're just a silly little hiccup in the rhythm of our bodies.